Hello dear fans. What is the Neolithic Revolution? Sharp changes in one or another area of human life are usually called a revolution. This term, due to the depth of its meaning, is often spliced with complementary definitions, which, as a rule, correlate it with one or another area of knowledge. For example, historians use the term Neolithic Revolution. The Neolithic Revolution occurred as a result of the transition from an appropriating economy to a producing one, i.e., based on the transition of human communities from hunting and gathering to agriculture, which, depending on the region, took the form of agriculture or animal husbandry. Previously, people only took away from nature what it produced. Now they themselves began to produce what was not in nature, new varieties of plants, domestic species of animals. In various cultures, the transition to agriculture took place within 10 to 3000 years BC. This term was introduced by the 20th century English archaeologist Gordon Childe, who expressed the meaning of the revolution as the emergence of people's control over their own food supplies. The consequence of the Neolithic Revolution was a sedentary type of residence, the emergence and storage of food supplies, the emergence of labor cycles, and the expansion of tribal activities. The Neolithic Revolution led to the emergence of permanent sedentary settlements, made the life of sedentary tribes more independent from the surrounding nature and neighboring tribes. The number of groups of people grew, because food was mainly obtained in one place. The population of such ancient settlements began to transform their environment through agricultural cultivation of the land, the erection of permanent settlements that grew all over. The increase in the amount of food led to an increase in the population, and this, in turn, entailed the division of labor, the emergence of commodity exchange, the formation of power, backed up by the armed forces. The common ownership of lands for gathering and hunting, which prevailed before the revolution, during the transition to a sedentary type of life and cultivation of a territorially limited amount of land, when fertile land became a rare resource, led to the emergence of private ownership of land. In a sedentary life, it becomes necessary to protect settlements and land plots from neighbors, to resolve internal conflicts over land in the community. All this became preconditions for the development of the state, the main function of which was the protection of private property. The increase in life expectancy, settledness led to the formation of a system of knowledge, which was transmitted at first orally, and then grew into the emergence of writing. The development of agriculture entailed the development of society, and, further, the ancient civilization. Thanks for watching.